26, 1930, it was actually earlier celebrated as India's Independence Day or Purna Swaraj Day. Because on this day, on January 26th, all the Indians thought, we will fight for our country. It's enough. We want our country back and we want it to be ours. So we will fight. India decided to fight for complete freedom. After we achieved independence on August 15, which is Independence Day, our leaders still wanted January 26 to be remembered in history also. So that is why January 26 was also remembered. But actually, the first Republic Day was celebrated on January 26, 3 years after we got independence. So Republic Day, it honors the date because on this date the Constitution of India came into effect, replacing the Government of India Act from British as a governing document of India, and thus turning the nation into a newly formed republic. This was the day when India truly became its own country and its own republic, when its government was from itself and there was nothing like British government anymore. You know that Republic Day are a 3-day long affair. The celebrations go on for 3 days. Can you believe that? It's not only for one day. It's for 3 days. So the parade, the amazing parade of Republic Day will be going on today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. So I hope all of you will be watching it, won't you? Shadia Das, please switch on your video and unmute yourself. And also Aditya, please switch on your video and unmute yourself. The first Republic Day parade at Rajpath was held in 1955. So the Republic Day parade is the main attraction of India's Republic Day celebrations, which last for 3 days. The parade marches from the Rashtrapati Bhavan along the Rajpath until the India Gate. So the parade marches so long, and it just shows how strong we Indians are and how resilient we can be. India's constitution is actually the longest in the world. It has a total of 448 articles. Can you imagine that? Our great freedom fighters who wrote the constitution wrote 448 articles, which is the longest in the world. It is just crazy. So our leaders, Indian leaders, took the best aspects from other countries' constitution. The concept of equality, fraternity, and the 5-year plans, all of these were together inspired from other countries too. So India was friends with so many countries, and we made so many bonds, good bonds with other countries too. Before actually our constitution came into effect and before actually we had our own constitution, India was following the British government's Government of India Act 1935. So even though we got independence, we still had British government's India Act. So when we made the constitution that day, we were totally free. We were fully free. And that's why Republic Day is such a special day. During the Republic Day, to showcase how great us Indians are, a majority of awards such as Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, and Kirti Chakra are awarded during the Republic Day ceremony. These are really big awards which are given to those Indians who are so amazing and have done so much for our great have done so much in this wonderful world. The main attraction of India's Republic. Wait. Okay. Now, I would like all of you to take a moment to salute the grand constitution of our country. Please salute our great constitution along with me. Thank you. It really is great, isn't it? I mean, like, it's the longest. That's a fact. That's kind of a world record. It's kind of a world record, isn't it? To have the longest constitution in the world. Do all of you think it's a world record?
I think.
Okay, very nice. Aditya, can you please switch on your video and unmute yourself? Otherwise, okay, thank you. Okay, so all of you remain on unmute. You don't need to mute yourselves. Why is he making us unmute? Okay, do you see how great our constitution is and how amazing it is?
Yes.
Really amazing, and I'm really proud of our constitution and our great India.